Tri-Cities Airport officials are adapting plans for an aviation industrial site. It's a project that could be a massive economic boost for our region.
And we're talking about Aerospace Park in Sullivan County, the planned 160-acre site next to Tri-Cities Airport in Blountville. It's projected to become a home for the aerospace industry.
Yeah, Elizabeth Kupel sat down with the Airport Authority today to find out how much money they've received to fund Aerospace Park so far and the impact that's having on their plans. Elizabeth?
Sarah, so far the Airport Authority has been awarded about $14 million in funding and grants. That is about $3 million shy of what they say they needed to complete the total site and get it ready for businesses to move in. But that is not stopping their plans. Their airport says they're moving in forward now with the design phase, using that $14 million to expand the site to about 100 acres. Richard Blevins is the Director of Aviation at Northeast State Community College, in charge of the Aviation Maintenance Technology degree program there.
Everything's associated with working on aircraft and get it back in the air we cover here in this class.
A class with 25 students right now.
We can pipeline our students directly from here directly into that company.
A company that could set up shop at Aerospace Park, an industrial site located right next to the Tri-Cities Airport. A project in the design phase right now.
Our engineering team is putting together a set of plans that will accommodate about another $14 million of site expansion.
Those $14 million coming from local, state, and federal sources.
Some of that is used for design dollars, engineering dollars, and then construction administration and inspection dollars, so that we're monitoring the work of the contractor. But the overwhelming majority of that will actually be moving dirt.
Plans now stand at expanding the site to about 100 acres, leaving about a 60-acre spot to fill in later.
We're not scaling it back or reducing it in any way. It's just that last piece in the middle will come at a future phase.
Taking steps to move the project forward. And while Executive Director Patrick Wilson says no companies have committed yet, he stressed the importance of getting the site ready to help with recruitment.
Companies, when they're ready to do a project, by the time it gets to the point that they're ready to build a building or build a hangar, they're ready to move very quickly. And they don't have 2 years for a community to say, we will get you a site ready. They need to come in and see and trust that the site is there and ready for development.
The next big step is completing the design process, and that will be by the end of July. Then the Airport Authority will put it out on the street for contractors to bid before starting construction. Live in the Kingsport newsroom tonight, I'm Elizabeth Kubel, News Channel 11 in your corner.
Elizabeth, thank you. The Airport Authority hopes to start construction by September. It is projected to be about a 2-year process.